Alright guys, welcome back to SVT Outdoors, and I had this crazy idea to build a bait out of a chapstick container. So I have the blueprints here. This is what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this is gonna be the chapstick container right here. I'm gonna put wire through the middle, drill holes on each end. I'm gonna stick a hook on here. And the goal for this bait is to be able to put scent inside of here, so like coffee grounds or different things to put inside of here and drill a little hole in the side so that scent can come out. It's going to be a kind of pop-bar style bait, but this is kind of how it's going to be right here. And I'm going to have a little bit of extra wire on the end so I can pop the cap open on here and stick whatever I need to in here. Hopefully you guys got a good idea of what this is going to look like. So let's get building. Alright guys, the bait is officially done. I have some coffee grounds in it right now. Seems to be working pretty good. Got my scent holes right on the sides here. And I can put all different kinds of stuff in it, garlic, whatever. And we're going to see how this catches us some fish. So let's head to the lake. Alright guys, got the pop bar here. We're going to go first cast of the day off the dock. Oh, it has some great action. It actually is popping like a pop bar, which I can't believe. Oh, got one. Wow, first cast. Oh, oh yeah. He took, wow, all the coffee grounds are gone. Out of the bait. Good bass on the little coffee grounds pop bar. First cast of the day. Nice one. That was cool. Got him.
Net?
No. Oh yeah. That's a good one.
Ooh, that bait's holding up pretty good. It's probably only. It's a good one.
Yeah. Good one. Look at that. Just took that thing. Wow.
Double up.
Okay. On the pop bar.
That thing's good. It's good pop bar.
The chapstick bottle pop bars. Doing pretty good, guys. But every time these things take it, somehow all the coffee grounds get out of here. So I need to put something thicker in here so it doesn't come out of the holes, like garlic or something. I think that would do really good inside of here, like bigger garlic chunks, or like a chunk of a minnow or something inside of there, so it gets them. So it doesn't come out of the pop bar, but that's a good bass, guys. Look at that thing.
Going away?
On the pop bar. It's probably a 2.5, 2.5 pounder. Woo! All right, guys, we got some dead fish inside of this bait. Wait, see if that catches some. Come on. Oh. Got him. Yeah.
You want the net?
Dang. That's a smart bass. Get me around the pole here. Get out of there. There we go.
Oh, they did get.
They really like this poplar here.
Good job.
Oh, there's another big one under there. Wow. Look at that fish, guys. That is what I'm talking about right there. Look at that poplar. Full of fish chum, and bass just chomp that thing. They love it.